Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I have Caroline over here. I don't know why she's on my channel, but today we are going to do a Glossybox opening.
Yeah. For what month?
It is June, but I think this is the May box.
No, this is the June box.
This is the June box. So I have the box right here.
Yeah, no revealing my address in that.
And we are quite excited to open it. This is my first time unboxing the Glossybox.
You open it from the
Okay,
side.
you open it like this. Dusty.
Okay, so what's the box looking like this month?
Okay.
Oh, it's a normal pink box this month.
Okay, it's a normal pink box. And I'm
Go
going to
on.
let you open the pink box. Hold on,
Go
try
on.
again.
Go
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna pop it open. Don't look at the card. Don't look at the card. Look away. Don't look at the
We will take the card out of the
because
box.
we don't want to spoil it for ourselves. Don't look at the card. Now, here we go.
Oh, that's so
It
cute.
smells good. Oh. Okay.
Oh,
Ooh. I've actually got that. You can have this because I've got one already.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah. Okay, so let's take the first one out.
Looks like.
Black Mystic Black Novex Deep Hair Mask.
I've never seen that.
No,
before.
neither have I. It says apply on slightly wet hair, massage, leave it on for 3 minutes, and rinse well.
You like your hair stuff, don't you?
I do, and this smells quite decent.
Mm.
This smells good. It smells fruity.
It smells like something.
Yeah, and it's like free
Really
of
familiar.
free of parabens, petroleum, silicones, and sulfate, which sounds very good. Ideal for all hair types. That's nice. Then we've got Nip and Fab from the box. This is the glycolic scrub fix, which I have already. It's got a lot of 3% glycolic acid, which is good for smoothing skin if you have texture. And I've already got this. I bought this when there was a sale on Nip and Fab, so
Thank you.
you can have that.
I have the thingy version of it. The
Oh,
little drop.
the droppers.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not bad either. It's a really good scrub. Next, we have Monu Skin Line Smoothing Eye Cool Gel. All skin types, arnica and Siberian ginseng. So it's an eye gel. This refreshing eye gel instantly revives and tones tired eyes, reduces puffiness and dark circles. Now, the amount of eye stuff I get from this box, but I don't actually use it. They're all over there.
You don't have like really bad dark
I
circles.
don't use them because I don't think I need it. Do you want it?
I don't really use anything.
I don't use anything. I'll just keep it over there then. Maybe my mum will use it, you know? I love getting stuff like this though. Either way, because sometimes I do use it, sometimes I don't, but... Huh? Firming Throat Gel.
Throat.
Yeah, throat, look. Firming Throat Gel.
What the hell?
It's called Gatineau, Paris.
actually for the neck.
It literally says, I don't know if you can see. Oh wait, hold on, I got to do the hand thing. Firming Throat Gel.
Read the instructions.
Apply morning and evening, stroke downwards towards base of neck. So maybe, is it for the face and then for the neck?
Oh, no, I think it's
But
just
it
for the
says-
neck.
Stroke downwards towards base of neck. So it's just a neck cream. That's kind of weird.
That is so weird. I've
Okay.
never seen anything like this.
I've never heard of that in my life.
Anti-aging. Oh, it's not
Oh.
for us then. It's for like, you know, when you're a
Turkey
bit
neck.
wrinkly on the neck and you want to firm it up a little bit.
So you don't have turkey neck,
So
innit?
it's not for you.
No, it's not for me. And then I think last but not least, this is called Larizzi Cosmetics Shade Sticks. Oh, it's a bronzer. I remember this. Cruelty-free, paraben-free. I think that's all it says in the box. But I
I love
think,
a bit of fruity.
yeah, innit, always cruelty-free.
Oh, that's cute.
It is cute. So here it is. Ooh,
It looks like chocolate.
it does look like chocolate. It doesn't smell like it, but
That's creamy.
this is a bronzer. Thing is, I'm not a fan of cream stuff, but it looks like it'd be a nice natural bronzer like that. It almost looks quite luminous, so I did have oil on my hand earlier though, because I did her makeup, so I did oil up her body. I did her hair and makeup, but it looks quite decent, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I like really natural. Say if you're going with just a liquid only
Yeah.
makeup, I think this would look quite nice.
It's a bit too dark though, unless you like just proper blend it.
Do you know, if you proper blend it out, I think it could do.
Yeah.
I think for your skin tone, I think it would work quite nicely on your skin tone as well. That's nice to see. So now we're going to look at the card. I think that's all of it. Yeah, the eye cream, all of that. Okay. So the July sneak peek is what I always look at. It says sun, sand and sea salt hairspray. Even if you're not jetting off this seawater hairspray from Senhor Do Bonfim will give you the beach waves you've been dreaming of. Beach waves.
Beach wave today.
So it's a little pink spray bottle for your hair. I don't actually have any sea salt spray, and I've always wanted to get some. Don't know why. I don't ever do my hair.
What, it's just a spray that you just instead of like oil.
It's just, I think it's supposed to keep the wave texture in your hair, so it kind of keeps it there. So that's what it is. And then we have, oh my god, you see that eye gel. So the Monu Eye Cool Gel, RRP 24.95.
Really?
What milligrams is this?
This is 15 ml.
Yep, so that is 24.95. And it says it's an all-around miracle, so say au revoir to dark circles and look forward to hydrated bright eyes. So it's really supposed to remove all the bad stuff under here and even out the skin tone, I guess. Should we try it out? Let's try it on for me. I ain't got nothing on today, as you can tell. I'm sitting next to someone who looks absolutely flawless.
You look good on these.
Oh, I'll try. It smells of expensive skincare.
25 pounds. I would not buy this.
No, neither would I.
I've never heard of this brand as well.
Monu Skin.
Monu Skin.
No, neither. Feels soothing.
It's got ginseng.
It smells like expensive, like lavender, ginseng. It smells like expensive skincare. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
The next one is the Nip and Fab Glycolic Scrub Fix. This is 50 ml. This is a sample size, but the full size is actually a longer, skinnier bottle. That is $9.95. It says it contains 3% glycolic acid, salicylic acids and fine grains. Your skin will be refined and brightened. The fresh grapefruit scent makes this the piece de resistance of face scrubs. It is very fine. It feels really nice. Give your face a nice scrub of that. You come out the shower and your skin feels smooth as hell. So it's actually really nice. Yeah, you see it's got a little thing on there. And then next we have the Novex Mystic Black Deep Hair Mask. I've actually run out of hair masks, so I needed something else, which is great because this smells good. And it's such a weird bottle. Doesn't this look like...
It's such like a weird design. Like, if I were to like see this in a shop, I wouldn't pick this up because it just looks a bit weird.
Doesn't it remind you of those sour candy containers?
Yeah.
Bloody warheads.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, toxic waste.
Yeah.
It just looks exactly like, but it smells good. It's just in a...
I actually really like the smell. It smells of something really
like
familiar that I
fruity,
can't.
like a Pantene hair.
Yeah, yeah.
Hair
It's like,
thing.
but it smells really good though.
It smells
Just
hecka
sniff
good.
it.
How much is that? How many kgs is this? How many mils?
100 grams.
This is 100 grams. For 1 kg is $11.95. That's expensive. But isn't that a lot?
So
1 kilo.
yeah, but then that means that if you divide it, it will be £1
Per pot.
£1.20 per pot.
Oh, that's decent. That's decent then.
Yeah.
But it says this is a new find of ours that we just had to share. We all need a miracle working hair mask that leaves your hair feeling hydrated, free of frizz, tangles and split ends. It's enriched with baobab oil and is free of any nasties including parabens, sulfates and silicones too. And again, RRP $11.95, 1 kilogram. And then this one, which I think it, oh my god, guess how much this is? I just peeped the price.
Okay, since you said that, I feel like it's going to be really expensive, so I will say it's about £20.
Honey, this is full size as well.
This is full size?
This is full size.
Okay, so it's higher. 40?
Oh, you're close.
Is it,
It's £49.
are you being serious?
Yes, £49.
No way.
It's £49 for full size. This is full size.
This is full size,
Yeah.
it's 50 ml.
Well, it says Gatine Strategy Juicy Firming Throat Gel, a French classic this brand was founded in Paris over 80 years ago by a woman with a true passion for beauty, Madame Jeanne Gatine, I don't know how to pronounce her name. With a complex of powerful vitamins, this gel visibly tightens the delicate neck and décolleté. I never do I. Leaving it instantly smooth. So like the neck and I think this part here.
This whole area here.
Yeah, but I'm firm. I'm young.
Yeah, it's anti-aging. It's not for you.
Wow.
£49 for this. Are you
crazy? Really? Oh wait, I almost forgot the stick at the front. The Laritzi Cosmetics stick. This is £18.
I've never heard of this brand, you know.
Yeah, Laritzi shade sticks. For a healthy glow, this shade sticks from French-Canadian brand Laritzi is a must. A fabulous multitasker. It makes it... She's got... Where did you do it?
Guys. I'm gonna have to buy her a new... If you can see the floor, it just looks like
there's literally a dollop. There's a dollop on the floor. You just take some cotton pads. I'm not that bothered. To be honest, I don't know.
I just ruined it. This is why I don't do any sort of...
Oh my god. But it says a fabulous multitasker. It makes a perfect bronzer and cream contour that's highly pigmented and long lasting.
Can you just look at that?
Yeah. It totally squished on the floor. We absolutely love the creamy weightless texture that makes it really easy to blend. It's also cruelty free and paraben free. Okay, so that's pretty much it, other than the fact that my floor's ruined. I'm joking.
And my stick is ruined.
I'm joking. It's not that. I'm not bothered about mess on the floor, to be honest. So as you can see, her face is kind of like beat down. She's highlighting, she's popping. Look at her. And there's me, because I didn't do the makeup on my face, but I did the makeup on her.
It's my turn to feel glam today.
Yes, it's her turn to feel glam. So I did her makeup, I did her hair, and yeah, so if you guys want to see me do her makeup on this channel, okay, then like the video. And I'll attempt to do it, because I think I've tried to do it before, but the camera, again, is just the focusing, because it can't focus on two people at once at this rate, so I probably have to just film her face, but it should work. So I did a really simple glam on her. I'm actually quite proud of it. Usually we do eyeliner on her, because she always has an eyeliner on, but I thought, do you know what, let's not do eyeliner today, let's not do anything too extravagant, but let's make it shiny and glittery.
I love the eyes, honestly.
Yeah, it's so glittery, so shiny, and I wanted to go glossy and shiny. So the lips are glossy, so yeah, that's her look. But the Glossybox video is finished. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, I should put some bunny ears on, innit? That'll fix it. What's that on my chest? It's a stain.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today... No, that's not what you said.
Hey guys, welcome to another video.
Yeah, that's the one.
Go on then, you introduce it.
Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. What do you say?
Hey guys, and welcome to another video.
Welcome back. Oh no, Caroline.
What?
It's not coming off.